Look at them all.
Look at all.
Wow.
Look at all the geese. And more than one called geese. Look at all those geese. Where are they going?
They're gonna go in the water.
I see some feathers.
I bet with all those geese.
Mom, look at all these geese.
I'm coming.
Come here, quick.
Look at all of them.
Here they come.
They combine the fields around us today.
Yeah.
Look at all of them.
Holy cow.
No, look the other way.
I'm looking, they're everywhere. What do you think, Bean?
Anna, what do you think?
Look at all those geese.
Anna, what do you think?
Look at all those geese, Anna.
Look at all.
What do you think?
Nora, what do you think? Look at the camera.
How many do you think there is, Nora? 100? 1,000?
How many do you think they are?
I bet there's 1,000 easily.
How about 100?
No, I think it's
I
1,000.
think it's more than 100.